Let's build a Spring Boot 3.0 REST API in under 5 minutes. We'll use Java 17, Jakarta EE, and modern Spring features to create a clean backend from scratch. Step 1. Set up the project. Go to start.spring.io. Select Spring Boot version 3.0.x, Java version 17 or higher. Dependencies: Spring Web and Spring Boot DevTools. Generate the project and open it in your favorite IDE. Step 2. Create the user model. Let's create a simple user model with just an ID and name. This will represent our data structure. Step 3. Build the REST controller. Now we'll make a REST controller to handle HTTP requests. First, a GET endpoint that returns a static list of users. Step 4. Run the application. Run the app using the terminal or your IDE. Then visit http://localhost port 8080/API/users in your browser or Postman. You'll see the list of users in JSON. Step 5. Add a post endpoint. Let's allow the user to send data using post. We'll accept a user object in the request body and return it in the response with status code 201 created. And that's it. A working REST API using Spring Boot 3.0. Want to add a database and full CRUD next? Like, subscribe and drop a comment.